In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change cursor or shift lock on Roblox Murder Mystery 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can clearly tell in the middle of the screen, I have custom cursors, so I changed the basic color from white to pink. You will be able to change them in any way that you want, so you can change the color only. You can use a custom image, you can change the cursor, you can add glow, you can add different elements, a different shape, whatever you want. To do this, first you will have to go to the place where Roblox is installed alongside the textures referring to shift lock. To do this, while Roblox is open, right-click your taskbar, open up the Task Manager, and inside of Task Manager you will find Roblox Game Client. Right-click this, go to Open File Location, and now access these folders in order. Go to Content, Textures, and in here you will find the image or the PNG that refers to shift lock. So this is the file that you need to change. If you want to change the basic cursors, go to the cursors folder and then keyboard and mouse, and you can change them here as well. But for this video, I'm going to be focusing on the shift lock image or cursor. So you can open this with Paint, Photoshop, or you can download custom ones online. A lot of people have made custom shift lock cursors and they have made them available through places like Google Drive, but for this video I'm only going to be teaching you how to change this, and I'm not going to showcase any places to download them. So for this example, I'm going to rotate it a little bit like this. I'm going to change the color. Again, this is just a very basic example to show you that it works. So I'm going to add these things at the corner, and then I'm going to save. So once you are satisfied with your cursor, always remember to save. It should be located here in this folder with this exact name in the PNG format. Now you can reset or restart Roblox, and when you join any experience, the new cursor will be displayed. The only time that this cursor will go away is when the game updates. So when the game updates, you have to repeat these steps. Just keep that in mind. And this will work for any experience. So as you can clearly notice, I now have the new shift lock cursor that I've made. You can download custom cursors online and follow the same steps to apply them on Murder Mystery 2 or any other experience. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.